Hey guys, Candida here, and I recently ordered the Smartbud so I could look in my ears. I've had my left ear bugging me recently, and it kept feeling like it was draining all the time, and it was driving me crazy. And so I found this Smartbud over on Amazon, and here's what you get in the box. So here in the box, we're going to have our instructions. Here's the device itself. We've got an extra tip in here. And then here is a charging cord. Now, there is an app that goes with it, and so we can turn it on, and then all we've got to do is connect the app. Once we do, that little light bulb turns on. This is going to help us see inside of the ear canal. I wanted to use this on my son. He's always had ear trouble since he was young, and so now I'm able to look inside of his ears and just help him make sure they're nice and clean. When we're on the app, we are able to see what we can see here with our little tool, and you're able to take pictures of anything concerning, or you can even record. You can see here when we're wiping it off and cleaning, we are able to see that as well. So here we can see that my son had quite a large buildup of wax in his ear, and I was able to help him get all of that out, and he said, "Oh my gosh, Mom, I can't believe how much better I can hear." And so this has been a great tool that everyone has been able to utilize in the family. So I hope you found the review helpful.